Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Suburban Studios Fort Myers Cape Coral. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a 24-hour front desk. The Suburban Extended Stay Hotel in featuring Myers is centrally located to enjoy all the Fort Myers area has to offer. This Fort Myers, Florida hotel is minutes from Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel Island, Cape Coral, Lehigh Acres, Splash Family Waterpark and the Edison and Ford Winter Estates. Visitors will enjoy shopping at the nearby Edison Mall. A variety of restaurants and cocktail lounges can be found in the surrounding area. Hotel amenities and features include equipped kitchens, weekly housekeeping services, free premium cable television with movie channels, on-site guest laundry facilities, free wireless high-speed internet access in all rooms, free local calls. Guests of this Fort Myers, Florida hotel will enjoy soaking up the sun at the hotel's outdoor heated pool. Business travelers will appreciate access to copy and fax services. All guest rooms have voicemail, irons and ironing boards, and feature well-equipped kitchens that include microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers with free coffee, 2-burner cooktops, cooking utensils, cookware and dishes, along with free premium cable television. Non-smoking rooms can be requested. Be sure to take advantage of the on-site laundry facilities. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.